Hey, what's up everyone? Today I will be showcasing some of my iPad Air accessories. I got the new iPad Air on launch basically, and since then I have basically bought these three accessories for it, which is a smart folio cover from Ztotop, as well as a 4-in-1 USB-C to HDMI multiport adapter. This is from Choetech, and a Replica Apple Pencil 2 from Kimwood. So starting off from the case first, let me just put it on. Now this is, as you can see, a blue variant, since I got the sky blue iPad Air, although it's not very bluey really. It's more, kind of looks more like silver in this light, but you can see a bit of a blue sheen. And this goes on, it snaps on magnetically. Just do it one-handed here. There we go. So the iPad fits in obviously really well over all the edges. And with this smart folio, obviously you have the auto wake up when you open the cover, and you get the two viewing angles. So you can put it like this, which is more of a typing angle, of course, or else you can put it up like so for more of a viewing angle if you're watching movies or something. I found it really good. It's very close, I think, to the Apple to the actual Apple Smart Folio, but of course that is very expensive for my taste, so this will do just fine for me. And of course the inside here, just a closer look, it's a very soft felt like material, so it won't damage your screen. So yeah, very happy with this, and thumbs up for Ztotop on these cases. Next up, let's have a look at the multi-port adapter here from Choetech. So this is some kind of metal material, because it's kind of cold to the touch. As you can see, it's USB-C, so it's compatible with the new iPad Air. And in as much as the ports go, you have, just get this to focus a bit, you have an HDMI port, a USB-C through which you can charge the device while this is plugged in, and you also get an audio jack. And let me just plug this in. And I'm just gonna show you quickly the USB part. So let me just stick in this USB here. And if we go to files, you can see that there is here no name, that's the USB drive. And you get all the documents on the USB drive, as well as photos if you want. So it works perfectly well. And you can also see that when it's plugged in, you get a little light showing there, so see that it's operational. I've also, of course, tested the HDMI part, and that works fine as well. So yeah, good products from Choetech, and I recommend this multi-port adapter. Some more info here for you. All right, and last but not least, it's the Apple Pencil replica, should we say. So it looks very much like the new Apple Pencil. Here is the box. Let me just put this up. And inside you get a USB-C cable to charge it up, as well as a spare tip. And this is very easy and straightforward to use. So if you just tap up top, you can see the blue light. It means it's on, and if you tap it again, that's off. You can also attach it up as you would with the Apple Pencil, so it attaches magnetically. However, since it's not an Apple Pencil, it will not charge wirelessly through the iPad, so you have to use the cable to charge this up. But ever since getting it, I actually did not need to charge this up, so I think it has pretty good battery life. And if we just go quickly to notes here, just to show you how it works. So I'm not very fluent with it yet, but if we go to text here, and I'm gonna try to write this while holding the phone, so pardon me for any errors. Hello, my name is Jonathan, and you can see that it translates that to text. So yeah, it does its work. As I said, I'm not very capable with drawing and sketching and stuff, but it definitely does its job. So thumbs up to Kimwood on that as well. And that's basically it. I hope you guys found this useful. It was just a little showcase of some accessories you can get for the new iPad Air. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.